I'm going for my beams to be the same thing as C1620. Then I'll be adjusting my slab also to be 61620. Then all others, I'm going to leave it there. I don't have ribs, I don't have walls in this particular project, so I don't need to adjust anything. So I'm also going to go to rebar diameters. I want to have just 16. Sometimes it clicks a lot of bar to use, and you have to just pick the one that you actually want to use. You can actually select or unselect all here, you understand? Then you can now go and pick the ones you want. Consider using Y16 for my columns. So I'll press OK here. Then I'll go to my slab. I want to use Y12 for my slab. Then I also go to my beams. I want my beams to also be 16. So I'll press OK. So I'm done with that. So I'll press OK. You can as well just go and set load combinations. You can do that here. You can also do that, here. You can also do that in loading to set your load cases. And in order to set your load cases, you can just use load generator to set your load cases. You have defined dead load. These are very compulsory. You need dead loads, you need live loads. Then you could create factored G combinations, for steel only, for steel and concrete. I think I would prefer to just take this, create on factored G plus Q combination. What it does is that it adds extra loads that may be acting on the structure as dead and live loads. But I'm going to disable this because I don't have pattern loads. And I go to my horizontal. What I just need here is just a notional loads here and here. I'm not using crack sections, and there is no wind loading problem for this kind of structure. It's too small for that. So I just click OK here, and you see this is my unfactored G plus Q. It's not really compulsory for this kind of project, but I just had to put that here for you to just see. So I could remove it because it's not really very useful right here. I could just go create my normal G plus Q. We don't need to apply P delta analysis. Also, the reason is because this particular structure is very small, and there's not going to be any need for designing for secondary deflections and all that. So I'm not going to be applying P delta analysis here. So approximate slenderness checks using moment manipulation method will be applied. We encourage you to check our next video for the next stage of your building analysis. The link is provided in the description. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.